What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick before I go over this, I'm gonna talk about the giveaway at 75 subscribers, 100 views on a video. I'll do a poll on my Instagram at CJsCard17. It'll be between either 10 Darkness Ablaze booster packs, or it will be 10 25th anniversary McDonald's packs. It is completely your guys' choice. I will enjoy opening either to give you guys whatever you get. It'd be great to get you guys. In this video, I got a mystery box off of eBay. Most of it, I don't think there's many sealed products in this, but I figured let's give it a shot. I couldn't really find a whole lot that was affordable, I would say. So this is what I ended up getting. In which this was a total of $80. So we will see if we get our money's worth. What is in this? Please don't be a bust. Okay. Ooh. We got an action figure. Xerneas. Okay, that's pretty cool. Gonna set that to the side. And that looks like the only sealed item. The rest seems to be inside of a giant Snorlax tag team tent. Alright, gonna throw that across the room. Sorry if that was loud. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Trying to get these out safely. Hopefully there's something good in this. Oh yeah, there's a code in there. I'll get you guys the code. Alrighty. Get you guys the code. There's the code. Alright, let's see. Okay, we got a Rillaboom V. It's off the bottom, but I forgot to grab it. A little bit more room. While we open this stuff, we got another tag team medallion to add on to our other one. Let's see. Throw that out the way now. We got a Rhyperior holofoil. A Machamp holofoil. I'm not 100% sure about all these sets. Dragonair reverse holo. Okay. We got a Meowth VMAX. Pretty cool card there. Put all the bigger art ones up there. Shiny Indeedee. A Cramorant V. Alrighty. I'm gonna set these back here so I could just grab a couple to show you guys. That way it's not gonna be in the corner. We got a non-holo Swanna. Cape of Toughness. Miss Galarian Mr. Mime. A reverse holo Larvitar. Energy. Great. Trainer. Great. Larion. Parasect. Torchic. Fletchling. I keep fletching between upside down. Hippopotamus. Gullet. Skitty. Dino. Jigglypuff. And reverse holo Cape of Toughness. Another Swanna. Electric type. Powerful Energy. Solar Rock. City Cobra. Okay. I think we're getting into some of the better cards. Okay, there are a lot of code cards. I'm going to show these first, just because I read things out the way. Wow, there's a lot of code cards. And I'm going to go through these pretty quick, just because I'm going to give them to you guys, and not even all of them are codes. So if you go for the codes, you are in luck. Today you get quite a few. I don't know how I feel about this mystery box yet. I was expecting a little bit more. Sorry about this taking so long.
of them. Alright, there we go. That's all of them. Now we throw these away. Throw them away, and then we will get into the cards once again. And of course, there's one more just normal electric. Alright. There's two more normal cards. There's some in a bag that I'll open last. We got a Aaron, and we got a Yamper. Then I got a couple here that are top loaded. Besides this one, Soul Rock. We got a Dragonite EX. I think this is from EX series. And we got a holofoil Flygon. Alrighty. Let me open this bag up. Hopefully there are some decent stuff in this. Side notes. Alrighty. We got a Charmander. Damaged Charmander. That's wonderful. A Goldeen. Kabuto. Nidoran. Magnemite. Onix. Another Charmander. A Charmeleon. Damaged. Krabby. Cloyster. Golduck. It's pretty cool. Golduck. Graveler. Drowsy. Diglett. And another Charmander. I ain't gonna lie, that was really disappointing. I was expecting something decent. I'll take the action figure though. The action figure is pretty cool. But thank you guys for checking out the video. I'm probably gonna try to do some more like mystery boxes. Definitely gonna have to look for some better ones. Honestly, this one was quite disappointing. Thank you guys for checking out the video. I hope everybody's staying safe. God bless.